Alright traders, I'm recording a trade because we have uptrend working higher. You can see we have correction, break, attempt to test the new low. We found support at the trend line and at the EMA. So we have new low, first entry short, second entry short failure. So I'm viewing this as a high-low confirmation setup. I'm scalping 8 contracts for 10 ticks. Stop loss goes 1 tick below signal bar and leaving few contracts as a runner. Alright, so we need a couple more ticks. ATR is a little bit higher than normal, so I'm scalping for 10 ticks. Also, the bar wasn't the smallest one. Okay, we got the scalp, so I'm gonna tighten runner stop loss to break even because runners are just a bonus. And this is a high-low confirmation. You can see 2 key entry points, the EMA and the trend line. And this is telling us that we have confluence of more key entry points. The more key entry points you have in price action, the better. Because the smart traders, they will buy the key entry point. And this is what I do as a price action trader. I draw these lines, I follow the EMA as a supportive indicator, and this will tell me where I'm supposed to go long. So great high-low confirmation setup, and the uptrend is in play.